In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Fusion 360 shell error and why it happens in the first place so you can get clean, hollow models without frustration. If you've ever tried to use the shell tool and Fusion just throws an error, this guide will walk you through exactly how to solve it step by step. And if this helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Fusion 360 tips. Alright, let's jump in. So first, what is the shell error? A shell error happens when Fusion 360 cannot hollow out your body because the resulting geometry would become invalid. In simple terms, Fusion is trying to offset all the inner faces, but something about your design makes that impossible. Now let's go through the most common causes. The first and biggest one is wall thickness being too large. If you set a thickness that's too big, the inner faces can collide with each other or collapse entirely. This is especially common in smaller or more detailed models. The second cause is complex geometry. Sharp corners, tight curves, and tiny faces can break the shell operation because Fusion struggles to offset those surfaces cleanly. The third common issue is fillets and small details. If your model already has fillets, chamfers, or tiny features, these often interfere with the shell tool and cause it to fail. Now let's fix it step by step. First, try reducing the shell thickness. Go back into the shell tool and enter a smaller value. Even a slight reduction can make the operation succeed. If that doesn't work, the next step is to remove small features. Temporarily delete fillets, chamfers, or tiny details from your model. Once the shell is successful, you can always add those details back afterward. Next, simplify your model. Look for overly complex areas, unnecessary edges, or geometry that might be causing issues and clean it up as much as possible. Another trick is to change the face selection. Instead of removing the same face, try selecting a different face for the shell operation. Sometimes this alone can resolve the issue. One of the most effective fixes is to apply the shell earlier in your timeline. Drag the shell feature before adding fillets, chamfers, or other complex features. This allows Fusion to work with a simpler shape, which greatly increases your chances of success. And here's a quick tip to remember. Shell errors almost always happen because the thickness is too large for the shape, or the geometry is too complex to offset inward. Keeping your model simple before shelling will save you a lot of time. And that's it. You now know exactly how to fix the Fusion 360 shell error. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.